That is a beautiful rail cross. Look what's going to open.
Wow.
Wow.
That was perfect timing.
Perfect timing.
Yeah.
Welcome to our YouTube video. As you can see in here, we got a dinosaur world. So yeah, so we're gonna open this amazing box, the dinosaur world, and check what's inside.
We're gonna build a train around it.
And it's gonna be amazing because we have an amazing tools that we're gonna make it to be so cool. And to make it better, we have something else. We got another dinosaur T-Rex tunnel. So we got in here. So let's see what do we have inside of this dinosaur world. And we got special in here. We got a map.
We got like a dinosaur map.
A treasure.
Dinosaur Park map.
Yeah, so like a Jurassic Park. So now we got the treasure dinosaur world. As you can see, it looks beautiful. And so we're gonna build a railway around it. So let's see what's inside of the box. That is the surprise box. Help me out, help me out, help me out, help me out. Good, I've got good help around me.
So, we've got some trees.
We got some trees. Yes, so we got some trees, and then let's see. We got this dinosaur. I think that one is.
That one is cool.
Do you know his name? Okay, let's see if you're gonna know. And this one?
I think that might be a
T-Rex.
T-Rex.
And this one? That looks like a rhinoceros. Trisaurus. And this one looks like a giraffe. Giraffosaurus. And this one, oh, I don't know what it looks like, but it's so cool. It must be super fast.
That's one of my favorites.
Is that your favorite?
It is a velociraptor.
Oh yeah, velociraptors. And this
like
one?
Them. They're my favorite.
Ah, that one is my favorite.
These are really old.
And this one? Let's see what we have.
Maybe a T-Rex. Yeah, I think that's the T-Rex. Yeah.
T-Rex. And this one?
Rex.
Rexis.
No, that one is a Platysaurus.
Platysaur. I'm glad you know all of them. So we're gonna build a railway around this beautiful island of dinosaurs. So I hope you're gonna like it and stay tuned with what we're gonna do. We have this beautiful tree house where we're gonna build the dinosaurs around.
And we've got a bridge to put on.
We got a bridge to build. Awesome. And with the amazing, start looking good. Let's see what's gonna be the next step. And to make it special, we got this amazing railway. We gotta put the railway station to make it nice. And here comes the man.
Beep.
Into the station. That is a super cool railway station. Oh, a construction truck. A dump truck. That looks like a very big construction. And the man walks on the bridge. He's just jumped in the train.
Oh, fell in the train.
That's awesome. And we're gonna complete the railway station with this amazing railway cross. And we keep the construction of the railway. That is a beautiful rail cross. Look what's going to open.
Wow.
Wow.
That was perfect timing.
Perfect timing.
Yeah.
Here comes the train, and we are going to build the bridge. And it's a continuation of the bridge, and that's a beautiful railway. Here comes the dinosaur again, and the part of the bridge to be complete. And here comes the dinosaur and the subway tunnel, and then here comes the dinosaur.
Oh yeah. Oh no, here comes the train, but the dinosaur wants to eat it.
Oh no, what just happened?
Oh no, they're invading the train. Oh, luckily the person just ran out.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes the excavator.
And the excavator is trying to protect itself from the dinosaurs. Oh, here comes the tow truck. Beep, beep.
And the dinosaurs are escaping.
And this is also trying to scare them away.
Finally, they all moved.
Good. And now the tow trucks are pulling the train.
And they just rescued the train.
Yep.
Finally, the train are back on track.
And it can carry on its journey. Thank you, tow truck.
And now we are going to unbox the T-Rex tunnel.
This looks cool.
Let's go and open it.
Wow. T-Rex here. And some eggs.
And let's see, what else do we have in the box?
Oh, what is this? Is this a dinosaur? Let's open it up. Wow. It's a flying dinosaur.
It's a bad dinosaur.
No.
Okay.
It's a
T-Rex.
no. It's
T-Rex.
like a flying T-Rex, but it's a pterodactyl.
Oh, that's cool that you know the name. So,
Yep. So
super
it's
cool.
guarding the eggs.
And so the train can go. And now we're gonna have to finish the other side. Oh, we need a bridge. Do we have a
What
bridge?
should we use?
Oh, what about if we use the
Smart Tech.
Smart Tech bridge?
Perfect idea.
Do you have it?
Yep.
Let's unbox
Right
it.
here. Okay. So let's open it. And then... Wow.
Super cool.
Yeah.
What a surprise.
So, what does this do?
Oh, let's see.
Oh, cool.
Why don't we try with the train?
Okay. Let's try opening it.
Oh no!
Oh,
It fell.
I thought normally
Oh no!
maybe it doesn't have much battery. Wait, meant to stop. Yep.
Oh, here comes the train.
Oh, it's a battery.
Super cool.
Wow. Try closing it. Oh, cool. It automatically goes.
And it's gonna fall off the bridge. Oh, you got it.
Yep.
Yeah, amazing. Oh, dinosaur on the bridge.
Oh, yeah.
Just on time. Perfect timing.
Oh, there's a forklift coming with more rails.
Oh, awesome. So we can finish the construction of the railway.
Cool. Not gonna fit now.
Will it fit? Comes the dinosaur. Perfect timing. Oh no, the thing went different direction.